Hello everyone, I am Sumukh Bhende from NIT Goa and this is my internship project presentation. I have worked on simulating a washing machine using PIC microcontroller in PicsimLab. In this presentation, I'll walk you through my design, implementation and a live demo. Internship overview and goals. The goal of this internship was to apply embedded C concepts to a real world like problem. I developed a washing machine simulation that helped me understand microcontroller programming, hardware interfacing, and real time logic through a virtual platform. Here's the project overview. The project simulates various washing machine operations like program selection, water level, and cycle execution using a PIC microcontroller. It also includes features like door status checking, buzzer alerts, and fan that simulates motor activity. Moving on, the embedded system concepts. Through this project, I applied embedded system concepts like GPIO control, timer usage, polling, and implementing a state machine. It helped me get hands on with real time systems and user interaction handling. Moving on, well, hardware mapping. Here I have listed out the inputs and the different keys we'll be using as inputs and where we'll receive the outputs such as SW1, switch 1, switch 4, switch 5 and switch 6. Switch 1 is for door sensor, switch 4 is to scroll between the options and it is also used in selecting the options if you long press it, and switch 5 is for power or start and switch 6 is for stop. Outputs we will have a CLCD and then there's the fan of the microcontroller and buzzer which will give a sound when the program is completed. Moving on, development tools used. Okay, I used MPLAB X IDE with a XE8 compiler to write and compile the embedded C code. PicsimLab was used for hardware simulation. These tools allowed me to test my code without any physical hardware. Now, power on feature. When the simulation starts, the CLCD shows a message prompting the user to press a key to power on the machine. Once pressed, it proceeds to the washing machine program selection screen. Moving on, the washing program selection. There are 12 washing modes available and the user can scroll through them using a button. A long press is used to select the desired program, which is marked with an asterisk. Alright. Moving on, water level selection. The next step is selecting the water level. Just like the program selection, scrolling and long press are used to choose between auto, low, medium, high and max water level. Moving on, start stop operation. After choosing a program and water level, the user is prompted to start or stop the operation. Pressing the start key begins the selected washing program and displays the estimated time. Nextly, we have function execution and door status. During execution, the CLCD displays the current stage like wash, rinse or spin along with a countdown timer. Door is detected. If the door is detected open, the buzzer is activated and a warning is shown. Lastly, the completion message. At the end of all washing cycles, the machine displays a message saying program complete, remove clothes. This marks the end of the simulation. Also, at this stage, the buzzer starts going off. Buzzer starts ringing to open the door. Now I'll show you a project demo of the same. As you can see, this is the PicsimLab setup and here I'm going to show you the working of the washing machine. Let me first reset it. I've flashed the hex code in this and we'll press key 5 to start. We'll power on the machine. And now we'll toggle between the options so we can see heavy, delicates. Let me switch this up once because the quality on this is not really looking right. So I'm going to show you in the VLC media player. Just one. As you can see, this is the PicsimLab setup, and here I'm going to show you the working of the washing machine. Let me first reset it. I've flashed the hex code in this, and we'll press key 5 to start. We'll power on the machine. And now we'll toggle between the options. So we can see heavy, delicates. Let's pick delicates. To pick delicates, you have to long press the RB3 button. Now we've come into options of auto, low, medium. We have to select the water level, and let's go with low. Okay, now it's asking for, if you want to start it, you have to press switch 5 or switch 6. Let's start it. Okay. Now let's start the wash. Okay, the wash process is already started. If you suppose you want to pause it, you can just press RB5, which is the 6th button, and it'll pause. Now if you want to again resume it, press the RB4 button, and it will continue to go on till this timer comes down. Let's wait for that. As we can see, it has gone in spin mode now. That was the buzzer indicating that the washing has been completed, and this is the complete cycle. Moving on with the presentation. So that was the project demo, and yeah. Thank you for watching my presentation. This project helped me strengthen my embedded systems knowledge and build confidence in real-time system simulation. I'm looking forward to further applying these skills. Thank you, Emertxe.